Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and I'm going to show you guys all about the DEERFAMY Pickleball Set. Sets of 4, and I got this amazing traveling backpack with it. You could even put on this strap for a side strap with it. It's amazing. Look at this quality. I'm going to go ahead and show you more about this, but first we're going to unbox this and then we're going to put everything in there to show you how it looks. This thing got an amazing review on Amazon and it's a good outdoor activity, and let's get everything out. You have 4 of the amazing high quality paddles. 2 of the yellow ball is for outdoor, the 2 orange one could play for indoors. These are 4 different type of cooling towels. I'm gonna get everything out of the plastic so you guys could see, and they got sent a sponge bonus for cleaning it up. So I'm gonna take out the plastic from one of them to show you guys up close. You can see how beautiful this paddle is. Oh my god, good soft rubber grip. This is durable quality. This is really good rubber right here, coated, waterproof, sweat proof. I mean, really light. It's about 10 ounce in weight. So the length from top to bottom here is 16 inches, and from here to here is 7.3 inches. It has 9 different plywood underneath here, so it's more durable, better quality. Really good hit with this. So this is overall a perfect gift for anyone who's into this, or even they never tried it before. I recommend you guys should try this. You could do this as a family. I think they give you the ball. It's like the wiffle ball, but it's the pickleball. It's good for outdoor and indoor use. Yeah, you could feel the difference. So we're gonna see. Got a good bouncy ball and paddle. We're gonna have to set this up outside summertime. To show you guys one of the sweat cloth made really nice, good, soft, observant, everything. Really nice material. I love the different color of it, so everybody could have their own. So that's pretty cool. And the good thing about this set, you have 4, which is a lot, by the way, for the price. Is a good budget price. Check in the description box below to get your hand for more price and details. Highly recommend this for a family or anyone who's into pickleball or who's into sports. And it's outdoor, indoor fun. Thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos, and check in the description box below for more price and details on this amazing pickleball set. A lot of storage in this bag, more zipper and stuff. So highly recommend. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Check them out. They make good quality stuff. This is a really good quality, honest review. Thumbs up.